To make sure that our customers get the best possible water, we've invested 120 million in the last few years in our water treatment works asset base. In 12 water treatment works have been rebuilt, including 8 in North Wales, and Conwy water treatment works was one of them. The investment saw some of our oldest water treatment works across Wales brought up to date with the latest processes, equipment and technology, and during that process we didn't impact on customers while that work was completed, which was very pleasing.
And I'm just quickly making the point that since I was elected in 2010, the Welsh water investment in this constituency has been significant. We've had the underground swimming pool, as I call it, in Conwy, which was a spectacular site to visit back in 2011, I think. We have currently got the investments going in Dylcharog, and we've obviously had the investments in Llyn, Conwy. And I was just making the point that if anybody had invested £50 million in a new factory in my constituency, it would be all over the newspapers highlighting this new investment into this part of North Wales. But because we tend to take water for granted, it goes unnoticed. I'm very pleased to be paying tribute to Welsh Water for this investment, which ensures that constituents, whether they are on the coastal strip or here in the rural part of the constituency, they are served with good quality drinking water, which will be on tap at all times. Right, wel, mae'n braf iawn cael gwneud y job o agor Llyn Conwy'n swyddogol, felly gobeithio wnaeth ddim byd mynd yn anghywir.
And it was my turn, I'd be star.